Hey everyone, welcome back. Now let's talk about remarks. So remarks are also known as comments, and these are lines of code that don't actually perform any actions within your program. Their purpose is to specifically document the intention of a block of code, whether for future reference by another programmer or to aid you in debugging your own work. The example here that we have on the screen, this is just the default code that's generated when you create a program in AppGameKit. And any one of these green, or these darker green, excuse me, um, lines here are going to be comments. So these don't actually do anything. This is just for you to read. You can create remarks a number of ways. So one here is by using the double slash. You could also do rem. You could do rem start and rem end. And with this one here, anything that you type in between will all be commented. And then you can also do the forward slash with a star. And this is going to be the same thing as rem end and rem start. And then the star and the slash. Let's say this is also a block of comments. Or what you can do is you can highlight, right click, and toggle comment line. Or let me hit Control Z there. What you can do is with your line at the front here, you can do edit and toggle line comment, and that'll do the same exact thing. And all right, so that's going to be it for this one, guys, and I will see you in the next one.